Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. If you're having a hard day, struggling with yourself, feeling self-hatred, shame, guilt, disappointment, feeling like a failure, feeling insecure about your body, about your financial situation, feeling loneliness, despair, anger, jealousy, fear, feeling overwhelmed with this life, fed up with circumstance, or perhaps even joyful. No matter what you feel, reminding you that it's a-okay. We're gonna take some deep breaths and see if we can let go of some of the pain. With that being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice posture where you can be aware of your body, aware of how you're sat. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Breathing in new life, new energy. And as you exhale, closing the eyes, tuning deeper into your inner world. Witnessing and welcoming tension, anxiety, anger, disgust, like old friends. Not pushing them away, but instead embracing, allowing them to be without any problem. Taking a deep breath in. Breath out. Breathing in. And breathing out. Breathing in trust. Exhale, letting go of worries, doubts, insecurities. Coming back to faith in yourself, faith in the unfolding of life, faith in this beautiful creation called life. Breathing in love for yourself. And exhaling love. Breathing in healing. And exhale, letting go of pain. Breathing in strength. Exhale, letting go of anger, resentment, letting go of the past. As you breathe in compassion, and exhale, letting go. Doing good, my friend. Stay with me. Taking a breath in and a breath out. Breathing into the belly. And exhale, pushing the belly out. Dropping the shoulders. Relaxing your face, the jaw, the lips, the forehead. You're safe to close the eyes, bringing all your attention inside, letting go of the outside world and all the circumstances, and simply giving full attention to your inner being, untouched by all the pain. Relaxing your shoulders, relaxing the palms of your hands and feet, opening your heart, feeling your heart opening like a flower in the sun, radiating all kinds of fragrant energies, melting away tensions in the chest and the face, bringing a smile as you breathe in. Hold. And exhale. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Becoming aware of the silent spaciousness that's already inside. Becoming aware of the love that's already inside. Taking a deep breath in. Hold. And exhale. I want you to focus on bringing your breath from the chest into your belly as you drop the shoulders, open the heart, and look inside yourself, witnessing and welcoming all that you see, very gently, very lovingly. Taking a deep breath in. Holding the breath at the top. And exhale. Way to stay with it, my friend. So happy you would join me today. Thankful for your presence. Remember that your presence is a gift and that your presence has a purpose. Taking a deep breath in. Today is lime green. The animal is a chimpanzee. And the number is 33. You see how I rhymed all of those? Becoming aware of your body. I want you to visualize a very loving energy coursing through your body right now. I want you to visualize that your heart is open, ready to share, ready to receive, and that your mind is just as open and vast. New opportunities to create, new opportunities to love, new opportunities to forgive, new opportunities to move on. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Becoming aware of your posture, aware of how you're sat, aware of how you feel after taking some deep breaths. Taking one last deep breath for now. Holding the breath at the top. Continuing to hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, exhale. I thank you for joining me across time and space. I'm sending you a big hug. Wishing you an abundance of love, an abundance of prosperity, an abundance of good fortune, unexpected blessings. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.